What's up guys, Brian with SoCo Customs here. Let's go. Hey guys, my name is Brian. We got a little different locale today, not the SoCo Custom Shop. We are at Neon's Barbershop with Boss Bray, Gerald Bray, the one and only, the world famous, and he's cutting my hair while I do it because we lifted his truck. So I guess the thing I want you to get from the video today is you can spend all this money on your truck, but it's not going to matter if your head's whack. So we sent his 2017 GMC Sierra up on the 3.5-inch rough country kit. I like this rough country kit because it's not just a leveling kit where you're stuffing a larger strut into stock geometry, but it actually changes up the front end geometry. Alright guys, we are so amped on these hard rock wheels. These are the H700s in a blackened machined. They're a 22 by 10 with a -19 offset. Of course, we had to put on the Klever RTs in a 33, 12, 50, 22. This guy's shop is called Neon's, for crying out loud. We had to do the rock lights underneath the fenders. That's Neon's Barbershop. Bray keeps us looking fresh. We did something new today. Thumbs up, subscribe, like on Facebook, hearts on IGTV. Let us know what you think of this format in the comment section below. We want to highlight our small business friends.